I know what you do. You take kids from Africa and you turn them white.
Nah.
You brainwash them. You get them to join your sick cult. Yeah, that's right. I was awake during the surgery. I heard everything, and I know everything.
Why didn't he get
you
up?
turned me white. My hair,
If
my
you heard
lips,
all of
my
that.
voice, the way I walk, you literally changed everything about me as a person. But you know one thing I still have is this, my mind. And I'm gonna use it to take out every single one of you. John,
Yo, he thought he
burn
ate.
down.
He thought he ate with that. No way, that MP5 shot that. That shit sound like a belt to the ass.
This is for my Africans, motherfucker. God, you racist pigs.
Bro, that shit literally sound like a belt to the ass.